Sony WF-1000X Remote Earphones Review. Sony earphones, they've generally been acclaimed and pined for as the years progressed. However, with regards to remote sets, the immersion we find in the market makes it troublesome for them to always stay head above water. In this newly discovered genuinely remote section, however, despite everything, it stays inconspicuous as to who'll be the main charge. Sony is saving money for its new WF-1000X wireless noise-canceling headphones to make a type of important progress in a sprawling scene that as of now has a wealth of offerings covering the range. The outline of the Sony WF-1000X is fairly exceptional, in light of the fact that they strike a harmony amongst easygoing and game. However, they never appear to truly fulfill either. On one hand, the artificial metal clean complete shows up somewhat shabby, yet the cozy feel of the silicone ear tips joined with those winged snares certainly enable them to immovably stay put in the ear, particularly amid activities or exercises that include a huge amount of development. On the other hand, they do not have the water and sweat safe development that you would sort of hope to get from something like this. Gratefully, there's no stressing over regardless of whether they'll fit in your ears. That is on the grounds that they come included with a multitude of various estimated crossover silicone elastic earbuds and those fitted winged snares, and additionally another arrangement of these firmer triple comfort earbuds. They complete a fabulous activity at smothering foundation clamor, guaranteeing that you won't be occupied and your spotlight will be exclusively on the music. What's distinctive about the outline is the translucent part of the earphones that stick out a tad. Giving it a somewhat more elongated shape, this translucent area really houses LEDs that light up red when they're charging for the situation, or blue when the catches on either earbud are squeezed. Presently, it would have been flawless if these LEDs could stay on, which would be helpful for brightening when running oblivious. Sony's outlines are regularly fastidious and down-to-earth. However, when taking a gander at the included accusing case that happens to the WF-1000X, it'll influence anybody to scratch their head pondering what happened. First of all, it looks to a great degree awkward in contrast with different cases, clear in how there's no attractive association with maneuvering the earbuds into put. Rather, we're compelled to adjust them properly until the point that they're supported legitimately. Programming and functionality. Before turning on the Sony WF-1000X for the first run-through, it's prescribed to download and introduce the Sony Headphones Connect application for Android or iOS. For our situation, we matched the earphones with a LG V30. In the wake of getting them associated, we were in a split second educated about another firmware refresh accessible for the earphones, so we refreshed it to Adaptation 1.0.7. The Sony Headphone Connect application is reciprocal to how the earphones are utilized, furnishing clients with an abundance of instruments and highlights to improve the general involvement. First of all, we extraordinarily acknowledge how there are predefined equalizer settings to browse, offering more prominent sound constancy. In any case, dissimilar to the Jaybird application, there's no real way to truly tweak the sound to your particular enjoying. Furthermore, the application gives pertinent data like its battery life, volume control, sound quality mode, and modifications for its versatile sound controls. The last is particularly one of a kind in light of the fact that the sense motor will distinguish naturally whatever you're doing and modify encompassing sounds appropriately. Take for instance strolling mode, which will support encompassing clamor around you to enter the earbuds so you'll know about your surroundings, while as yet tuning into music in a hurry. Availability. With the most recent firmware refresh introduced, we didn't see the sort of blur intricate details we've encountered on some other genuine remote earphones, so it's a help to